There it is! Yeah! So today is our beach trip to Batangas, and we're gonna be going to Batangas for 2 of our friends' birthdays. But then we're now here in Pancake House for breakfast since we haven't eaten breakfast yet. And it's currently 10:30. Oh yeah guys, welcome po because this is the first time in my vlog! Woo! Are you happy to be here?
Thanks for having me.
Okay guys, order muna kami. Because I'm hungry. What's your question?
Are you gonna make me breakfast in the morning?
Are you?
Yeah.
Yung pala eh.
Ano yung naunang tayo ko sa mga? Kaya ako sa mga.
I'm feeling oh. But then there's gonna be breakfast kasi me.
That was the best.
So why me?
That was the best.
Oh. Oh. Yum! This is my go-to order, guys. This is the golden tinapa. And then what do you get?
Beef tapa.
And guys, Soan's here! Yay! Birds of a feather! This is Cole's bestie in Taft. And ever since when? Let's eat! Wow! The sunset earlier, as you saw. I'm feeling! But then we're about to have dinner, so it's samgyup and hot pot by our chef. I'm feeling the chef! Lahat naman magluluto.
The host of the villa.
The new bombshells has
entered the villa.
What are you most excited for? Hot pot or samgyup?
Samgyup.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Look at all the meat, guys. Yep.
Very much.
Sauce making for dinner. Mika and Piggy. Belly rubs. Yum. This is pork, guys. And this beef. Our favorite is the cheese ball. JP, what's your secret mix?
Kasi ano lang to eh, pang malakas. Tonic water yun.
Sinabi naman. Gin. Perfect.
Diba masarap?
Rated over 10.
Ako 11. Kasi depende yan kung gusto mo medyo strong or malakas yung pineapple. Yung cheese.
Gets.
Tridor. Sobrang tridor. Sa dulo. Sa dulo.
So guys, nabusog ako dun sa hot pot and sa samgyup.
Kasi hindi naubos tayo.
Yeah, ang dami. Oh my gosh, ang dami pa pala. True or false? 1 pancit canton will make you want 2 pancit cantons. But 2 pancit cantons...
It's too much for pancit canton.
True or false?
True. False.
Why?
Hindi. 1 is bitin, 2 is too much.
Yes.
Depende. Kung midnight snack, 2 is too much. 1 is bitin.
I don't know. I don't like pancit canton. Sinaya pa ng oras mo. Good morning. We're gonna go island. Yes, and right now we're gonna get ready. We're gonna have our girls' time. Oh, Kamusta? You're feeling hot?
I'm feeling warm.
Oh. Only to those who know Love Island will know this.
Layo na. Kenny!
Hortales Island. While we sunbathe. Bye, Batangas. Say bye. Say bye. Bye, guys.